Hello, my name's Wade Gilbert. Today I'll be presenting on my current event and how it relates to this class. The current event I've decided to talk about is Netflix and their pursuit of vertical integration and them venturing into the realm of live sports and live sports broadcasting. Recently, they have shown some WWE matches, as well as most recently, and what most of the discussion will be about today is the boxing match between Logan Paul and Mike Tyson. So Netflix has been pursuing vertical integration ever since they came on the scene. They've been a blockbuster and kind of ironic blockbuster, but they've been a blockbuster in the marketplace since they've entered. Um, they now produced all sorts of original shows, original movies, content. I mean, they come on most TVs you buy now have Netflix already installed. When it comes to live sports now, I'm not sure if this is something that they originally wanted to venture into, something they've more been forced to since other streaming services like Peacock, Paramount Plus, and more importantly, Amazon with their Thursday Night Football have gotten into the live sports and has really attracted a lot of viewers for them. So Netflix recently hosted this boxing match, and it was huge. It had a lot of people. I want to say 60 million viewers, and there were tons of issues. It was laggy. People couldn't get loaded in. Netflix was shutting down. It was just very bad all around. Coming up on Day, they have two games with the NFL. They paid $150 million for these two games. So one day they have a $150 million investment on it. And the NFL now is really worried, even though Netflix paid them for this, they're worried that their product won't meet what they usually show for it. So now they are on Netflix big time to hope that they can come through for them. And this is a big deal for Netflix because if they want to venture into this world of live sports, live entertainment, they're going to need to iron out these processes, which just goes to show how vertical integration can be tough when, you're not used to the live aspect of it all. They're not, they make content. They're an entertainment business. Sports is entertainment, but it's very different. So it just goes to show how different everything can be. Some other things I want to talk about is some more vertical integration that Netflix could do that I think would be better than just live sports. They're very good at making original content. They spend so much money on original movies, and then their original movies have a much shorter life and create less revenue than their shows, which cost a little bit less to produce. I think they should start putting these movies into theaters. That is what can generate the buzz, like a lot of other studios do, like Warner Brothers with their Max or Amazon. Even Amazon movies have been going to theaters and they create a lot more buzz whenever they come to the streaming service eventually. Well, that's really all I have to talk about today. Thank you very much.
Hey, I'm Sarah. Let's talk about the hands-off matrix. The hands-off matrix is a strategic tool that's used by businesses to analyze and plan their growth strategies. On the screen is the grid. It was developed by Igor Ansoff in 1957 and it's often referred to as the product and market expansion grid. The matrix helps companies determine their product and market growth strategy by assessing the level of risk involved with different options. The matrix consists of four quadrants based on two key factors, which are markets, products, and markets. Market penetration. This strategy focuses on increasing sales of existing products in existing markets. It involves tactics like improving market efforts, adjusting pricing, or enhancing customer engagement to gain a larger market share. This is the strategy we leaned more towards by increasing marketing efforts, pricing strategies, promotions, improving customer loyalty. And then there's product development, which is new products new products in existing markets by introducing innovative products to satisfy the needs of their current customer base. We added a new model of cameras in year 8 and a new drone in year 9, which both worked out in the long run. We were able to keep them till the week 15. And then there is market development, where companies introduce existing products to new markets. This could involve targeting new geographical regions, demographics, or distribution channels. The geographic regions we expanded into were North America, Europe, Africa, Asia Pacific, and Latin America. And then the fourth one is diversification, which is new products and new markets. We didn't touch on this strategy as that was the riskiest strategy of the four. So market penetration was the strategy that we went with because it had the least risks and it focuses on more on existing products and markets. While we did touch on a few of the other strategies, market penetration was the best for our company. We watched the competitive efforts reports and adjusted as needed, often to maintain our forward momentum. While our cameras were average pricing, our drones were priced slightly lower than average. Thank you.
Looking at the figure, we can see 4 different types of strategy: cost leadership, differentiation, cost focus, differentiation focus. The A company decided to go with generic cost leadership, which is a business strategy that the company aims to achieve a competitive advantage by producing goods or services at a lower cost than their competitors. We demonstrated this with the A company with aims of having the best product for the lowest price. Our economies of scale, which refer to the cost advantage that occurs when a company increases production output or expands operations, were very good. Our efficient operations that allow the A company to maximize output while operating in a way that minimizes waste and reduces costs. Our supply chain efficiency that optimizes our resources, processes, and technologies to make sure our customers receive the very best service. And also our technological use to streamline operations and allow for the most optimization and improvement to occur, with which all of these shows that we were using a generic cost leadership strategy. Thank you. Significant achievements. Looking at the A company's significant achievements, you can see that we established and maintained a high return on equity. We achieved 4-time Leapfrog Awards, which refers to when 2 or more companies tie for the biggest point improvement in overall score. Each company will receive 1 point Leapfrog Award bonus. So not only once, but 4 times we managed to have the biggest point improvement, which we were able to learn and grow from, which proves that we were able to learn and grow from our mistakes previously made in different years. Our consistency and growth of our earnings per share, return on equity, PQ ratings, and stock ratings show that we were only getting stronger. Also, our profit margins were set at a good point, and all of these I feel are great achievements for this learning experience. In closing, the A company, I feel as if we were able to correct our mistakes to level off towards a well-balanced company that was able to show success.